this video, I'm going to show you how to make a dish which is really simple and delicious. So it's a crispy hash brown potato made in, of all places, a waffle iron, and it's served with avocado and salsa. So really easy, just 3 ingredients. I am a chef, I am a caterer, and admittedly I do spend a lot of time cooking in the kitchen, but when it comes to preparing dishes for myself, I really want them to come together quickly, and I want them to obviously to taste great. I want them to be highly nutritious as well, and this dish really fits the bill. So if that sounds good to you, then keep watching. I'm Diana Goldman, and you're watching Beantown Kitchen, where plant-based dishes are shared that you and your body will love. Here are the ingredients of a dish. So this is 1 bag, 20 ounces of frozen hash brown potatoes, 3/4 of a cup of salsa, and 1/2 of an avocado is used in the recipe. So I'm heating up my waffle iron. I have a non-stick surface, so all I need to do is heat it. No grease is needed at all. Once it's heated, I'm going to put on the frozen hash browns. Spread them around evenly and then tuck in the sides to make sure that they all fit within the surface. And then close down the lid. Don't worry if it doesn't secure all the way. As the hash browns cook and release moisture, they will shrink and you'll find that your lid does close completely. So they're going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and as they are cooking, they're going to release lots of steam. How will you know when they're finished? Well, I find that when it stops releasing steam, then they are pretty much done. If you want to open the lid from time to time to see how they're doing, you'll know they're not finished if, like me, you find that there's some hash browns that are stuck to the top of the waffle iron. So it's been about 20 minutes for me. I open the lid, they're finished, they're no longer stuck to the surface of the waffle iron, and I'm ready to lift them out. As you can see, they really lift out cleanly without leaving much in the way of potatoes behind. At this point, simply layer the crispy hash browns with the salsa and some avocado. It's really good simply as is, but you can certainly add lots of other ingredients such as black beans or refried beans, some red onions, some yellow onions, some cilantro, some pumpkin seeds even. So either have it simply with 3 ingredients or use it as a base to do what you like with it. So grab your hash browns, your waffle iron, avocado, and salsa and get cooking. And let me know in the comment section how you like the dish. Thank you so much for watching. A plant-based diet is great for the planet, it's great for the animals, and it's great for you too. Lots of love to you.